Hi, I'm Michelle.
Hi, I'm Alicia.
And welcome to another video. So today we are going to do top viral air fryer recipes. And I think the very first one we're going to do is the Pringles chicken. The sour cream and onion and the barbecue with dipping sauces.
Yummy.
Yeah, and then I think we might do the quesadillas as well. You can use the Pringles chicken. After we're done, we can turn it into a Pringles chicken quesadilla, sour cream, and barbecue quesadillas. Yeah, and then we're going to do the s'mores dip and the cheesy garlic bread pull-apart crack bread.
Wow, those all sound amazing. Super excited to give it a try.
Me too. Let's do it.
Let's see what this
Do
is
the
all
challenge.
Yeah, let's see what this is all about.
And then I'll show you the ones that we're copycatting from, the other viral videos. Okay, this is the one that we're going to do. We'll show you their recipe, and then we are going to copycat it. Okay, here's all the ingredients we need for our 3 recipes. Okay, so we have cut our chicken tenders into chicken tender strips. And now we're preparing our egg wash. And then we are going to dip the chicken into the egg wash, the chips, and then back into the wash, and then back into the Pringles. Okay, so now I have cut our chicken into strips. We have the egg wash, we have the Pringles sour cream and barbecue, and then I'm just going to put the flour in there, just like that, and then let's begin. Okay, so we're going to make the crispiest chicken. So we're going to grab our chicken breast, we're going to dip it into the flour, and we're going to put it into the egg wash, just like that. And then we're going to dip it into the Pringles. And then it's going to go back into the egg wash. And then back into the Pringles. It's nice and crispy. Just like that. To flour, egg wash, to the Pringles. So now we're going to do our sour cream. Whoops. Do our sour cream and onion one now that we are done with our barbecue.
So once again, we're egg washing. We're dipping into flour, and then we
Smash your Pringles first, and then we dip them into flour, into the egg wash, into the Pringles. Oh, and then back into the egg wash.
Don't forget to put it back into the egg wash.
And then back into the Pringles for extra crispy chicken.
Yes.
Double time. That's looking pretty good.
Yeah, it looks really good. Good job, Michelle.
Thank you.
Now, they say in order to keep your chicken moist, it's a very good idea to just add a little bit of olive oil. If you can't spray it on, just drizzle it on. And then turn over the pieces, and you can do the same thing on the other side. So we're just continuing to turn over the chicken and coat it with olive oil. You just need a little bit, like I said, or you can just spray it as well, which is easier. We're placing our chicken
tenders. These are the
On-
barbecue Pringled ones.
Depending how big your air fryer is, you can decide like how many you want to put on.
And then I'm going to do the sour cream and onion.
Michelle's going to attempt to put all the chicken on at one time.
We have the super deluxe air fryer, guys.
Yes,
So ours might seem much bigger than some of the other air fryers that
Yeah.
you might see.
we have the
Ultimate air fryer.
Power Air Fryer Pro. Okay, we are going to go ahead and stick it into our air fryer.
So just pop it in the air fryer. It says for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. Just like that. 180 degrees.
And there we go.
And let's turn. Extra crispy fried sour cream and onion.
Okay, guys, so this is what it should look like. Should be nice and creamy. And there you go. That's our finished product.
Let's turn it out. We also had to turn up our air fryer to 375. In the video, she said 180, but it was not hot enough. So I guess it depends on your air fryer. Oh, wow. Look how gorgeous and crispy that looks.
It looks amazing.
Incredible. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to lie. This looks incredible. It looks so crispy. It came out golden brown and crispy. We have made a ranch barbecue sauce here. We just took our ranch dressing and mixed it with barbecue sauce to turn it into a ranch barbecue sauce because that's one of our favorites. We have our ranch dressing here, and then we just have barbecue sauce there.
It's actually called a ranch dip. You just mix them. You can buy them in the store, and it's a ranch dip that you just mix the pack in there.
Okay, so I'm going to try the barbecue chicken one.
Yes, me too.
Oops.
Gotta have a crunchier too.
I'm going to try it into the ranch dressing. The chicken is really moist and tender. It's not dried out at all. Man, that's really incredible.
Tastes just like a restaurant. So
So
good. Wow, that really is amazing.
Okay, and now I'm going to try the sour cream and onion Pringle one. I'm just amazed how golden and perfect and crispy it is.
This one's the sour cream
I'm just
and
gonna
onion.
crack it open. You can see how beautiful and tender the aroma coming off.
It's so beautiful.
I'm gonna try this one in my ranch dressing.
Let's give that one a try.
Wow, so good. And the ranch dressing really complements the sour cream and the onion chicken tender.
It does. I forgot to try barbecue on mine, so I'm gonna retry.
See how crispy and beautiful it is. Excellent. What do you think, Alicia? Does it pass the test?
It's so amazing. It's so incredibly moist. It's amazing how crispy the outside is and how moist the inside is.
I'm going to give this recipe a thumbs up, and the barbecue is my favorite, actually. Although they're both delicious.
And I like the sour cream and onion. Thumbs up, both of this, a 10.
So there you go. Okay, so I'm going to take my leftover chicken Pringles. I have 2 left of the sour cream Pringles chicken tenders and 2 left of my barbecue Pringles chicken tenders. And then what I seen in one of the other videos is she just used those to turn them into quesadillas. So I just got some flour tortillas here and then butter, and I put a little butter on each one of my tortillas. And then I have my cheese here, so I like Sargento sharp cheddar, and then I use mozzarella, and then I just mixed it together. So we're simply just going to cut our chicken tenders into pieces. Take my tortilla with the buttered side over. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the sour cream and onion chicken, place it in there like so. A little bit of the crispies in there. Now, just like so. Gonna add a generous amount of cheese. And then I'm just gonna fold it in half, just like that.
And just finishing up the last one here. Okay, so you can see we've put 2 on each shelf. So we're gonna put this in for
$3.50, which is $1.80 on a smaller air fryer, and then
for about 8 minutes.
8 minutes. So we're going to do. We'll do 10 just in case. If it's 8 minutes, we'll check out before it. We'll probably switch it halfway through.
She's cooking away. Okay, you guys, so this is the halfway. We're about to turn them over, and they look really good. So we're just gonna flip those, and then we're gonna put them in for another 5 minutes.
Okay, so I have turned them over so that they will even out, and we're gonna put them back in for another 3 minutes.
Wow, did you see the size of this?
Oh my god. So it's super crispy on the outside and it's ooey gooey deliciousness.
Wow, did you see that? It's incredible. Oh my gosh.
And I'm gonna try it. And some of this ranch dressing.
Me too. I'm gonna try the barbecued ranch. Let's give it a try. Well, I may have overdone on the cheese, but you never get enough cheese, please.
So the tortilla is still super soft And this is the sour cream and onion one, so it tastes like sour cream, Pringles, crispy on the outside, tender juicy white meat on the inside, with a flour tortilla that's a little bit crispy because it's quesadilla. You can see how nice, it's just a nice crispy crunch, but yet somehow it manages to stay soft too. And so now I'm going to try the barbecue one, and I'm going to try the sour cream one with my sour cream dip. Oh, that was this one here. So you can just see how beautiful like that is. Gorgeous. Really gooey deliciousness. And I'm going to try some of this sour ranch, barbecue ranch. It complements the sour cream and onion. The sour cream onion chips complements the sour cream dip, and vice versa. The barbecue crisp Pringle, amazing on the barbecue ranch. The barbecue ranch quesadilla, it is out of this world. How would you rate it, Michelle? Out of a 1 to 10, I'm going to rate it a 10. And I wouldn't lie to you guys. If it tasted bad, I would let you know. Believe me, I'm the first one to let you know. So if all of these are a 10, it's because it's the truth. And if I do find a bad recipe, I'm going to say I don't like this one. But this one is killer. Me too. I'm giving a thumbs up, a 10. These are great, easy to make, on the go, after school, after work, before, after, quick, easy, and under 20 minutes. Yeah. So. And with that, that's recipe number 2. We were only supposed to do 3, but we ended up doing 4. So we are getting ready to do our 3rd recipe, which is going to be the garlic cheesy pull-apart crack bread. Ooh. Which I am so excited to try because I love garlic and cheese, and I love garlic bread, cheesy bread, anything to do with garlic. So sounds absolutely addicting. So let's get started on that challenge.
Hi guys, so this is recipe number 3. The challenge that we're going to be copycatting is the cheesy garlic bread, crack bread. Air fryer pull apart crack bread. Okay guys, so the ingredients are going to be 3 garlic cloves, a half a teaspoon of our onion powder, 1 tablespoon of parsley, then we're going to do a half a teaspoon of salt, and for dairy we're going to do a half a cup of butter, 1 cup of mozzarella, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan. So we're starting with a full loaf of sourdough, and what I did was I just cut into about 1/4 of slices across each way, and then I turned it around and I cut it again in 1/4 of slices. Don't cut it all the way to the bottom because we're just going to be able to pull the bread out. That's what we want to do. So we're just going to pull it out in pieces. Okay, so now I'm just filling the spaces with the mozzarella cheese in between all of the spaces. We're going to just fill in all the way. just going to add some Parmesan as well inside our layers.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
Inside of all our layers.
And how much we're putting in there? Mozzarella and Parmesan.
I gave that earlier of the ingredients. Okay, you guys, so you can microwave these ingredients. I'm choosing to use a saucepan. So in here I have all the dry ingredients and wet ingredients. And we're just going to kind of let this simmer for a few minutes. Okay, guys, so we're going to just go ahead and we're going to spoon the garlic inside each of the layers, or you can simply pour it in as well. I kind of like to do it like this so I can get into. Okay, so we're getting ready to cook the bread. We're going to wrap the ends. You can put it in foil over your bread, an extra piece on top, and put it in your bread basket if that's what you have. We don't have that, so we're just going to wrap it in professional parchment paper all the way around and tuck the ends under at 350 degrees for 8 minutes. Then we're going to unwrap the top and cook for an additional 5 minutes. Then it's ready to serve. We're going to uncover it. We took the top part of parchment off, or tinfoil, and then we're just going to go like that, and we're going to cook for an additional 5 minutes. So this is the bread, you guys. This looks absolutely delicious. Golden brown, all the cheesy. Look at all that cheese. Looks so delicious. Can't wait to give it a try.
Okay, so let's put the cheesy garlic bread pull apart to the test. So wow, look at this. Oh my God, this looks incredible. Wow, you can see it's super cheesy, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm gonna dip it into this ranch dressing.
It's drenched in garlic and butter. I wonder why they call it cracked bread. It's so addicting. I'm gonna give it a try.
It's super crispy and light and fluffy. Just the right amount of garlic and butter. It is cheesy-licious.
And it's so delicious. Like you would think that it would dry it out, but it's not. It's perfectly crispy and it's super moist with them. And then we used a little bit of our ranch dip from earlier from the chicken that we made. And this makes an amazing dip for your bread. You hear the crunch?
Cheese aroma, cheese fantastic. Listen to the crunch. Great for a party.
Wow. So good.
Appetizers, whatever you want to do. And I rate this one. Alicia, what do you rate this one?
I'm gonna say, I'm sorry, but I'm going for a 3's the charm, a 10.
Me too. Going for a 10. Thumbs up.
I'm not apologizing. It's amazing. I'm not gonna lie.
Go get that crack bread. I would challenge you to the challenge.
You won't be disappointed.
Okay, so for this fun, tasty little treat, all you will need are a few ingredients. I got jumbo marshmallows, but marshmallows, whatever size is fine. I got the jet puffed jumbo marshmallows, honey made graham crackers, Ghirardelli sea salt chocolates, Reese's peanut butter cups, and caramel topping. I got Mrs. Richardson, I prefer. Okay, so we're just going to take our graham crackers and cover them on the bottom of the pan. and just fill up the whole pan. Okay, so then I'm just going to take my chocolates, open them up, and I'm going to place the chocolate on the pan. So we'll just take all of our chocolates and place them all the way across the pan, layering them. Unwrap your peanut butter cups, just like that. And then we're going to place them in there. I already unpackaged most of them. So, and then we're just going to basically put them all in here. All the peanut butter cups. Evenly distributing them across the pan. Okay, so now we have a layer of graham crackers, a layer of sea salt chocolate caramels, and a layer of peanut butter cups. We're going to grab our jumbo marshmallows, and we're just going to place them all over the place until you cover the whole pan. Okay, so now I just left a couple peanut butter cups for the top. Give a nice chocolatey explosion on top.
Wow, looks like a fluffy cloud.
And then I'm also going to just put some extra graham crackers on top as well. So we have a dip, you know. See? Ones that we can put like that we can grab. Just kind of stuff them around over there. I'll leave a couple here so we can just like that. And then, okay, so now I just added extra graham crackers on top, and we have a little bowl here, so when it's done dipping you can just dip. And then I'm going to just take a little bit of caramel and just kind of layer it across. Wow, look at that. Oh, that looks amazing. I feel like we're at camp. Campfire weekend. Yeah. There you go. Thank you. Let's give this a try. I'm going to go right down in the center. Oh, look at that ooey gooiness. Going right on down in there. Creamy, fluffy.
Wow, this will feed a whole family. It's delicious.
Or a whole roast out campfire.
It's like having a cookout right in your own home.
What do you think, Alicia? What would you rate this? She can't talk, her mouth is full.
This is really delicious. This is super easy to make. I'm going to rate this, remember, a 10. Again, a 10.
Nate, these are the best s'mores, and with the peanut butter cups
Oh, yeah,
and the
forgot all
chocolate
about
sea
those.
salt caramel. It's like an explosion of peanut butter and chocolate and caramel and marshmallows.
I forgot all about that. Ooh, look at that. There's all the peanut butter cups in there, the caramel. It's amazing.
Yummy. Okay, guys. Well, that's all. We're glad that you could joining us for this video. I hope you enjoyed all of these recipes. And thanks for hanging out with us for the day.
This was so much fun to make, and we really enjoyed doing these videos. So let us know down in the comments below if you'd like to see more videos like this.
Yeah. So bye everyone.
Bye.
And don't forget
to like and subscribe.